Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 205, and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold the power key and select power off. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up, I believe. Power key, volume up. Now when you see the TCL logo, you want to let go of the power key after a couple seconds. And as you can see, this will boot us into recovery mode. So in here, I will use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And just to quickly go over the options accessible here, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have Reboot to Bootloader, which does absolutely nothing. We have Enter Fastboot Mode. We can apply updates from ADB or SD card. We can wipe data, or there's no cache partition, so we can only wipe data. We can mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So whatever you will select, like I mentioned, you will then confirm with power key, and because I want to leave this mode, I will select the first one, Reboot System Now, which will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.